Hi guys, Dennis here. Hey, it's Sunday and Sunday fun day, so to speak. And I decided to do some painting today. Um, I got a few runs, but it's on a dump truck and it's I'm going to live with it. Yes, I could probably wet sand it down and polish it. Maybe I will, but it's on the box and I'll be honest with you, painting is not my favorite thing to do. I absolutely hate painting, but because I don't have the patience for it. Me not have patience? Oh, come on. But anyway, I'll show you what I'm working on. It's my Bruder Mack Tamiya truck. I finally got it into paint. Just kind of got it hanging, pieces all hanging here drying in front of the heater. Yeah, it's cold here yet. I think this morning we had frost again, so no snow on the ground at least. But I'm pretty happy with how the paint turned out on the cab and most of the stuff. I did paint the interior black. That's originally tan, but it's kind of a work in progress. I got a few specks in some of the paint, but not terrible. I've had worse. Yeah, sorry for the glare, guys, but that might help you not see some of my shitty paint jobs. But but while the paint is drying, I'm working on polishing some hydraulic hobby aluminum wheels for it, and I'll get those polished up while paint's drying. I try to get do the paint, and while this is drying, I got plenty of other things to work on, and just let this sit for a couple of days and start assembling and go from there. Yeah, I think it's going to look a lot better, that box, without the aluminum showing. Now that it's painted red, it's not going to stand out so much for my fender skirts on the box. I got the hydraulics working, I got everything working, but now I'm going to work on putting some lights in the cabs and stuff, and doing the clearance lights. That's the stuff I'll be doing while paint's drying. So, get it. I took and wet sanded this with some 800 grit sandpaper and washed it with soap and water, hot soapy water, trying to eliminate fish eyes and bleed throughs and whatnot. The Bruder plastic is really terrible for bleeding through. So I painted a red truck with red paint. It might change the tint of it some, but at least I'm not... What I've found when I've painted the white over the red cabs, the red oil in the red paint or the red plastic bleeds through and almost gives you kind of a green tinge. People have told me, well, you can do this primer and that primer and this primer. I've tried it all. Nothing makes a difference. It manages to bleed through some way, shape, or form. So I figured a red over a red, at least I can get it all the parts to match. So we'll see how it turns out. And that's the thing. As it dries, after it gets about a day or so, you'll notice it. And, especially with the white over the red. Now, I painted white over blue. Never had a problem with it. Over the other shade, maroon color, painted white over. Never had a problem. It's this distinct red from Bruder that when you paint white over top of it, creates a problem, or you paint any other colors over it. It does. You'll notice it right in the seams and stuff. You'll notice it a little different. Yep, there my heater goes. Yeah, it's plenty cool outside. So, anyway, I just figured I'd check in here and let you guys know what I'm doing. So, catch you guys later.